I know that most traders start with small accounts, and that's how it should be. That's why my team of traders and I do everything possible to find trading robots that are suitable for small accounts. Today, I'll share the 3 EAs that have been the most profitable for small accounts. On the third spot, we have the EAs from the top 10 robots app, which is an online app where we automatically generate expert advisors. We can see the backtest, but also we can see the out of sample, or this is the performance after the expert advisors were generated. And the best thing here is obviously that we can download the ready to use robot with one click for MetaTrader 4 and for MetaTrader 5. Now I want to show you the expert advisors for the Euro Yen, which from the backtest do not look as good as the expert advisors for the Euro Dollar, but it turned out that they perform the best on a live environment. And I have a live account right on this VPS, and you will see that I'm trading 3 expert advisors for the Euro Yen here, one on H1, the second one on M5, the third one on M5, and in this account I'm trading the expert advisors that are most profitable for the last 1 month. I have also the track record in here, and if I drag and drop it, you will see that they've been trading for nearly 200 days and the total return is 17.2%. Initially the account went on a profit, then there was a drop, but steadily it climbed upwards. And the best thing with these expert advisors is that there is no huge equity drawdown because they trade with fixed stop loss and take profit always with 0.01, no grid and no martingale systems, which means that the risk is much lower compared to the grid martingale systems, and usually those are the most profitable ones. But here comes the rule that if you want lower risk, you will expect less profit. And if I show you the stats of the account, you will see that the average monthly return in this account is 2.4%, which is above the 2% target I have for myself as a profit every month with every account of mine. And the results with the second EA are much more impressive. Finding the second EA was tough. Our entire team is consistently looking for new robots, and Ilan discovered this one. It's called Dark Nova. The results so far have been excellent, and if you want to stay updated with all the EAs we find, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We will keep searching for EAs and testing EAs on live accounts, saving you time and money. So first we tested the Dark Nova on a demo account with 3 currency pairs: the Aussie CAD, the Aussie New Zealand and the New Zealand CAD. This has been running for nearly 3 months, and if I show you the stats, you will see that the monthly return is 3.2%. But if I click on symbol, you will see that 2 of the currency pairs are performing nearly the same. We have the New Zealand CAD, the Aussie CAD, and Aussie New Zealand is just losing money. So what we've done is we've put those 2 currency pairs on 2 different live accounts with IC markets, and one of them is on a small $200 account. If you search for Dark Nova in the new algo trading space platform, you will see that we have one Dark Nova that says best pair on IC markets, and it's trading on a $200 live account, and it made, look at that, 12.4% in the last 30 days. And the bigger account with $1,000 initial capital made 1%. As I said, lower risk, less profit. But if you are trading on a small account, the chances of making a lot as a percentage are huge, but the risk increases as well. Let me show you the track record from the $1,000 account, and you will see that it's been trading really steadily upwards. The New Zealand CAD pair, and if I switch to the equity, you will see that the equity stayed really close the entire time, and I've already made 4.4% without any risks in the account until the moment. And if I show you the Dark Nova on a $200 account, you will see the difference. Here I'm trading the Aussie Cat. At just over 30 days, we've made 12.9%. But if I show you the equity, you will see that a small drawdown went nearly to 50% drop in the account. However, it recovered. I'll show it to you on my MetaTrader platform where I have the live account with IC Markets, and you will see that here the Dark Nova had those consecutive short trades. If I just go back a little bit and I zoom out, you will see all of those short trades started opening on the 5th of September, and then a second, third, fourth order. Here is the fifth order that was added, and all of those were closed right in here after the market reversed downwards for the Aussie Cat. And you can see that initially it started trading with 0.01, then it started increasing the recovery orders until 0.05. So that's where the risk comes for the small accounts. If Aussie Cat continued going upwards, there could have been more short orders and I would be running out of margin. While if I have a bigger account like $1,000 or more, I lower the risk because I increase the margin and the EA can recover comfortably. However, you can keep an eye on the live accounts and there are the track records. Plus, if you decide to trade a small account of $200 or $500, the broker you select is very, very important. And why we use IC Markets more and more is because they have really low spreads, huge leverage for the global entity, and thousands of tradable instruments. You can test the broker with a demo account or a small live account because they are the multi-asset trading platform of choice for high volume traders, scalpers, and robots. I'll leave the link to IC Markets down below in the description if you want to test them. But before I show you the EA on the top spot, remember it's my birthday week. I've decided to make all of my algo trading courses available for just $9.99. The expert advisor pack for professional traders at huge discount, and most importantly, access to the VIP club for only $49 instead of $149. Use the join button here on my channel. In my opinion, that's the best value because it gives you the chance to be part of this entire journey with me. And on the first spot, we have the multi-pair EA. That's the expert advisor I have on another $200 live account. And if I show you the stats, you'll see that it made about 33% return for 1 month. And here I am trading only the euro dollar because it is the most profitable currency from all the assets we are testing on the demo account. It uses a grid system, but it's not a martingale. So we can see that every order is with 0.01. And actually here we are testing the expert advisor on a $1,000 live account, not demo. And I've requested a withdrawal on the 21st of August. Then there is a little bit of a pause in the trading because while requesting the withdrawal, I disabled the algo trading and then I forgot to enable it, which is a stupid mistake of mine. But if I look at this track record and I go to stats and I click on symbol, you will see that the most profitable currency pair is exactly the euro dollar. Also, the results from the pound dollar are impressive and the euro cat. And I'm planning to put those on new small $200 accounts to see if they will perform profitably like the euro dollar. So these are the 3 expert advisors I found most suitable for small trading accounts. But again, small trading account brings higher risk because we may run out of margin. However, the 3 EAs I showed you today trade different assets. the top 10 up with the Euro Yen, the Dark Nova with Aussie Cat, and multi-pairs with the Euro Dollar. Which means that if you put the three of them in one account, you will have a great risk diversification, but that is up to you. None of the information I share in my videos is financial advice. I just share my trading experience and the experience of the whole algo trading space team, which honestly has been an amazing journey for us. Thank you guys so much for following me, and before you go, check out the video on this side because you'll learn more about one of the EAs I just mentioned. As always, don't forget I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.